Unsure what size board to build? We offer 5 different sizes of our DIY kits to fit a range of different paddlers. The smallest and lightest board is the Aransas model. It measures 9 foot 6 inches long and is designed for surfing, but it also works well for petite paddlers up to 125 pounds who want the lightest all-around board possible. Next in our lineup are the San Marcos model boards. This is our most popular and most versatile board as it's shaped like a traditional surfboard. It's stable and works well in the widest range of conditions. These boards can be built in 2 sizes. The 10'4" size is ideal for paddlers between 105 pounds and 175 pounds, while paddlers between 170 and 250 will appreciate the added volume and added stability of the 11'4" model. Lastly, we offer our San Jacinto boards. These boards feature a pointed nose and are designed as a fast touring board for calmer bodies of water. The 10'8" size works well for paddlers between 105 and 170 pounds, while the larger 11'8" size is ideally suited for larger paddlers up to 250 pounds. If you've been remotely curious about taking this rewarding journey of building your own board, download a set of our digital plans today to get started. We'll throw in one of our free Little Jarvis miniature surfboard bottle openers, as well as a $20 coupon to use on our store.